Air quality alert still in effect through midnight tonight. I'm meteorologist Kellyanne Chicalese. We are concerned for all of southern New England, but really much of the Northeast, dealing with this thick plume of smoke moving back into the area. This morning, a little bit of relief from that as the smoke thinned out overnight into this morning. And so you'll notice with some of our current air quality reports here in the area, we're seeing some improvement. Some locations reporting better air quality than others. You can see it's slightly higher, some of that smoke being detected north of Boston. But here's the thing. It's an impact weather day because we have a more widespread thick smoke plume moving in for this afternoon and evening, very similar to what we saw for your Wednesday. And so unfortunately, this is going to be unhealthy for sensitive groups. Let's break down what's on our radar over the next 12 hours is that thick plume of smoke that we're tracking impacting our air quality. Our next threat, shower and storm chances this weekend. It does appear that the best chance for those showers will be on Saturday night. Can't rule out some thunderstorms here as well. So this smoke plume is moving in from wildfires that have been ignited in areas of northern Minnesota, moving into western Ontario. So it's traveling about 1,000 miles toward us. Some of the thickest of this smoke will be through upstate New York, heading out toward places like Toronto in Canada, but the thickness of this smoke will continue to spread eastward. So this is paused around 1 o'clock today, and you can start to see we get into this red color indicating thicker smoke reaching toward the surface. And so you'll start to notice our skies turning hazier again this afternoon, especially around midday. However, it's in the late afternoon that I think with the thicker plume of smoke that you'll actually be able to smell the smoke in the air again, unfortunately. So the concern here is that this is going to linger for several hours until a cold front that moves in from the north. This cold front will help to push that smoke to the south. It'll also be the trigger for a few showers and storms, the best chance in northern New England. However, can't rule out a few showers here locally as we travel toward this evening. But thank goodness for that cold front because that will help to push out the smoke for your Friday. We're expecting big improvements to our air quality as we go from unhealthy air for today for sensitive groups. We're getting back into moderate levels of air quality for your Friday. High temperatures today in the upper 70s to low 80s. We do have a wind out of the west. Of course, that's helping to transport in some of that smoke. But notice it's a little breezy at times as we see wind gusts of 20 to 30. That's ahead of the cold front that starts to make its way southward as we travel toward this evening. I would say watch after 5 p.m., especially if you're north of Route 2, where these showers and storms are coming from the north. They start to drift southward. I'm not looking at anything severe or strong, likely just a few showers that decay as they push south of the pike. So many locations will be dry. Our next chance for more widespread rain in our area, it's Saturday, so we are looking at an unsettled outlook for your weekend. That's not to say it's a washout. Saturday morning, looks like most of the moisture will be just to our west, but it does spread eastward into the evening. Thunderstorm chances, you can see that as early as 5 o'clock, although I do think the worst of it will be later on Saturday night. Let's get you through the overnight hours. You can see that rain starts to move out to sea, so by the time we move toward your Sunday morning, we're starting to see things clearing out. So I do expect big improvements for your Sunday. In fact, Sunday afternoon and Monday look really nice here as we start to clear out. You'll feel an uptick in humidity Saturday. That will start to decline as we move toward the start of our work week, but it's unsettled next week. Storm and shower chances with high temperatures in the upper 70s to low 80s.